Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Liberator Ramp is probably one of the most innovative and versatile solutions available for anyone looking to improve accessibility and mobility around their home or workplace, offering a seamless transition over thresholds, steps, and other obstacles that can often present challenges for individuals with mobility issues or those using wheeled devices. This ramp is designed with durability and user safety in mind, ensuring a stable and reliable platform that can support significant weight, making it an indispensable tool for enhancing independence and convenience in everyday life. Number 5. Lunix LX6 3-piece compact bed wedge pillow set. Experience stable elevation with modular angles designed to maintain a consistent incline. This supports comfortable, circulation-focused rest after long days. This 3-piece system offers firm, orthopedic support that prevents sinking. It helps maintain a healthy posture for reading or sleeping. Premium Velcro attachments and non-slip covers keep the pieces securely connected. Enjoy uninterrupted and secure orthopedic support without nighttime sliding. Constructed with high-density memory foam and OEKOTX certified fabrics, it provides a breathable, non-toxic resting surface. Enjoy stable comfort without sinking. This set includes a reusable hot-cold gel pack, a vacuum storage bag, and a washable cover. It's all backed by dedicated customer support and a lifetime warranty. What we like. Experience stable elevation for comfortable, circulation-focused rest. Its compact design offers firm, orthopedic support without sinking, perfect for reading or sleeping. The secure connections ensure uninterrupted rest. If you have long days on your feet or need consistent orthopedic support for relaxation, this is your ideal choice. What people say. The Liberator Ramp is a game-changer for pet owners with mobility issues. Its sturdy construction and non-slip surface provide a safe and secure way for pets to navigate stairs. The ramp is incredibly easy to set up and use. It folds compactly for storage and can be deployed in seconds, making it ideal for travel or everyday use. The adjustable height feature is a lifesaver. It allows you to customize the ramp to fit different heights, ensuring a perfect fit for your pet and their needs. Number 4. Easy Access Transitions Modular Entry Ramp. Navigate your home with ease. This ramp provides smooth and secure pathways, eliminating dangerous thresholds for wheelchairs, walkers, and other mobility aids. Built to last, this ramp is constructed from high-strength, rust-proof aluminum. Its specially designed surface offers superior traction in any weather, ensuring safety year-round. With multiple height options and an innovative pivoting flap, it offers up to 6.25 inches of adjustability. It's perfect for various doorways, including patio sliding doors. Easily transport this ramp for temporary or permanent use. Its lightweight yet sturdy design allows for quick setup wherever accessibility is needed. Tailor the height precisely to your needs by removing or adding sections. Create the perfect accessibility solution for your unique doorways and thresholds. Enjoy reliable service and enhanced safety. This ramp provides the stability and convenience you need for daily use in any setting. What we like. This ramp provides smooth transitions for all mobility aid users, creating secure pathways for home entrances and sliding doors. Constructed from high-strength, rust-proof aluminum with superior traction, it ensures safe access. Its adjustable height accommodates entryways up to 6.25 inches. If you are looking for a durable, adaptable, and safe solution for various doorways, this is the one. What people say. The Liberator Ramp is a game-changer for pet owners with mobility issues. Its sturdy construction and non-slip surface provide a safe and secure way for pets to navigate stairs. The ramp is lightweight and easy to set up, making it a convenient solution for everyday use. Number 3. Abco Bed Wedge Pillow. Experience ultimate relaxation with this specially designed bed wedge pillow. Use it to elevate your head or recline comfortably for instant relief. Sleeping at an incline can significantly improve your well-being. It's known to reduce snoring, relieve neck and back pain, and ease breathing issues. Crafted from high-density foam, this pillow offers a cool and comfortable experience. It's designed to be gentle on your skin and maintain its shape. The pillow comes with a highly breathable, removable cover that can be easily washed. It's built to last for many years of comfortable use. This versatile pillow serves many purposes. Use it for sleeping, reading, watching TV, or even to elevate your legs for reduced swelling. What we like. Designed for ultimate relaxation and health improvement, this Wedge pillow offers instant relief by elevating your head or body. It's known to reduce snoring, relieve pain, and aid breathing issues. Made with premium, breathable foam and a washable cover, it ensures lasting comfort. If you like to improve your sleep quality and overall well-being, this is a great option. What people say. The Liberator Ramp is a game-changer for pet owners with mobility issues. Its sturdy construction and non-slip surface provide a safe and secure way for pets to navigate stairs. The ramp is easy to set up and store, making it a convenient solution for everyday use. Number 2. Easy Access Portable Threshold Ramp. Introducing the Easy Access Portable Threshold Ramp, designed to make your home more accessible. Navigate doorways and steps with ease. Crafted from self-supporting aluminum, this ramp is built to last. Its portable design makes it easy to move wherever you need it. Tackle uneven surfaces and single-step rises effortlessly. This ramp provides a smooth transition for wheelchairs and other mobility devices. Ideal for use at doorways and on home steps, it enhances your mobility and independence. Enjoy greater freedom within your own home. Measuring 12 by 36.25 inches, it offers a practical solution for everyday accessibility challenges. Get the support you need, when you need it. What we like. This portable threshold ramp offers a self-supporting, angled entry for doorways and home steps. Its design is ideal for uneven surfaces and single-step rises, ensuring smooth transitions for mobility devices. It's lightweight yet sturdy for easy transport and setup. If you need a convenient and reliable solution for overcoming small obstacles at home, consider this. What people say. The Liberator Ramp is a game-changer for pet owners with mobility issues. It's incredibly sturdy and provides a safe and easy way for my dog to get in and out of the car. I love how compact and lightweight the Liberator Ramp is. It folds up easily and fits in my trunk without taking up too much space. The non-slip surface is also a great feature, giving my dog confidence when using it. Number 1. MaxxHaul 70275 Aluminum Hitch Mount Mobility Carrier. Meet the MaxxHaul 70275, your ultimate solution for transporting mobility devices. This hitch-mounted carrier offers a spacious and secure way to bring your wheelchair or scooter along on any adventure. With generous interior dimensions of 46.5 L x 28 W, it easily accommodates most mobility devices. The closer rungs ensure even small wheeled equipment stays put. Loading and unloading is a breeze thanks to the included 60-folding ramp. It's designed for effortless use, making it simple to get your equipment in and out. Constructed from lightweight, corrosion-resistant aluminum, this carrier is built to last. Integrated reflectors enhance your visibility and safety on the road. It boasts a robust 500 pounds weight capacity, ensuring it can handle your needs. This carrier is designed to fit 2 Class 3-4 receivers, making it versatile for trucks, SUVs, vans, and RVs. Its thoughtful design includes anchor points for securing your load. Despite its strength, the aluminum construction keeps it lightweight for easier handling and installation. What we like. This hitch mount carrier transforms your vehicle into a mobility transport solution. It features a spacious cargo basket and a folding ramp for easy loading of wheelchairs and mobility devices. With a 500 pounds capacity and corrosion-resistant aluminum construction, it's built for durability and safety. If you are looking for a robust and convenient way to transport mobility equipment with your truck, SUV, van, or RV, this is the product for you. What people say. The Liberator Ramp is a game-changer for pet owners with mobility issues. It's sturdy and provides a safe way for my dog to get in and out of the car. I love how easy it is to set up and take down. The non-slip surface gives me peace of mind that my pet won't slide off. The ramp is lightweight and portable, making it convenient to take on trips. It's also surprisingly strong, holding up to my 80-pound dog with no problem. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.